I'm on my way to church, but I know I'm not like completely dressed, so I'm going to finish dressing up in the car. She can sleep.
Hey, it's Becca, and y'all welcome.
Good morning, guys. I'm so happy, guys. I think I've tried to be myself lately. Like, I've tried to pour so much energy, so much love, so much energy into myself, because I don't know, I don't know, but I just feel so good this morning. I feel so good. I feel so happy. I feel like myself. And I've been up, I think, since 6 a.m. and I've been working. I'm trying to edit a video because I want to be consistent on YouTube. So I've been working. But now I was supposed to go to the market today, but Marvelous said she's going to go instead. So at home and I'm waiting for her to be back. And when she's back, I have a lot of things to do. I have to cook and I have to prep. So I want to make jollof rice, and I just have some food I want to cook. So that's that. So yeah. Anyways, I just want to say good morning and welcome to a new vlog. Oh my goodness, I think this is so good. This is actually a lot, like, and I'm so like, okay, this one is ewedu. So this one is ewedu. Thinking everything is the vegetable, and this is the vegetable. I think this one costs 500 naira or so. Yeah, I think this one costs 500, and it's actually like a lot. It's a lot, yeah. That means I'm going to make moi. I actually don't know how to wrap this thing like a pro, but I'm going to try. And it's big. So I want to make Dolla's hair now, and I hope she's going to like cooperate, because this baby, to make her hair, it takes the whole village to make her hair. And I'm so grateful for her hair length now, because if you know how it used to look back then, it's like, I'm so grateful. Yeah.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud.
We are done with our hair, and this is what we did. A very simple hairstyle. Yeah. Why are you crying? It's okay, you don't have to cry on camera. That's bad. Why are you crying? So we're able to achieve this, and yeah, it's not that neat, but at least it's not hard. And yeah, it's cute. Dada, can you say hello to the camera? What happened to mommy? Who do you want? Who do you want? Who do you want? Is it daddy or mommy? Who do you want? Daddy? Go to daddy then. Do you want mommy? Do you want daddy? Do you want mommy? You want the two of us? What do you want me to do, Juju? Should I hug you? Yeah, let's hug. How are you, Dollar? How are you, Dollar? How are you? How are you today, Dollar? Dollar. She wants to sleep. And you have to sing Dollar Hawaii before she can sleep. And she has to put her head on your tummy before she can sleep.
No, leave it.
No, I think she's sleeping now. Just wait a while before I put her down.
Yeah, you lying?
Hi guys, good morning. So today we want to make chin since the kids are at home, and I feel like she just do something to keep everybody busy, and also it's something they can be eating, and it's going to be like a big batch of chin, and I have Marvelous that is going to be helping me, so it's not just me. And yeah, that is going to be a very, very sweet one because she's a pro. I'm not a pro, in case you don't know. Marvelous, not like she's into baking and the likes, but I'm just like learning from her. Do you get? So, but and so she'll be the one doing it. Me, I will just be doing the behind the scene and every other thing. Like, okay, let us cut, let us do this. She'll mix it, she'll do everything because, like I said, she's a pro. So that's that. That's the plan for today. Today's Friday, and yeah. I know you know Marvelous because she's always. But this is my baby sister. You see, she's not that tall because you can think. But anyway, yeah, this is my baby sister, and she's only just in case you want to make your cake. Yeah, Instagram handle is Marvel's Bites, and she's so good, guys.
Yeah,
All the cake that I've been posting, like Jerrick's cake, Dollars cake, my birthday cake, any cake you are seeing, even my pawpaw. I learned how to make pawpaw from her. I learned how to make so many things like red velvet cake, chocolate cake. She's the one teaching me because I know how to do that, but what has evolved. So she went to go and learn, and she's a pro. So in case you need her services, please, I will drop a number so you can reach out to her and yeah, do business together. She's actually a good girl.
yeah,
And yeah, I'll be
yes.
so happy if you patronize her. Thank you very much. Yeah, so
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new.
I don't even know what to say. I can't roll it like this, but all I want to say is that I was making the chin and the teaching started foaming. I'll put a video for you to see. Guys, in case you know what I'm supposed to do, because we don't know, we started stirring it like okra. You know how you stir okra, it's doing it again. So we still have like, I think this is the last batch that we are still frying. I have to change my outfit because I had meeting. Hi guys, good morning. I'm on my way to church, but I know I'm not like completely dressed, so I'm going to finish dressing up. In the car, I just have to brush my hair and look like human being. Like, I don't know, I was so late, like I have to like rush it. I'm super late, but yeah, so I'll quickly dress up in the car and get ready. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing like a simple boo. Guess what? I did not pick my heels. I should put my hand down. Okay. Too much because you're going to that something about.
That's a me there.
Yeah. I'm just using this all over my body. I don't know why it's giving me white cast, but we go manage. Like Yakub go manage. And yeah. Oops. We are buffing with resting. See how this one is looking around. My church, you have to wear scarf. Like, you cannot enter my church without scarf because. So, I'll be pairing with this. Guys, this is my. I'm carrying this mini Coach bag. Yeah, I'm carrying this mini Coach bag because I don't have anything inside. Like, I should not lie, guys. So there is absolutely nothing inside this bag. But yeah, we do transfer. We don't do cash. I don't know. I just don't like going out with cash. But yeah, that's that. I'll see you in church, guys. Bye. Okay, so guys, in my last video, I told you that I have a naming ceremony today. Like my friend gave birth, and today is her naming ceremony. Guys, I'm so late. I'm so late, and I have to like do some transition. Yeah, go and check my Instagram page, the Becca brand underscore, to watch my transition video. But anyways, guys, this is what I'm putting on. I think I'll put a video for you to see. It's just a simple black top and a what's the name, and a palazzo. Yeah, just something simple because I'm not the mother of the baby. Yeah. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Hi guys, I just came back and I had fun. Yeah, so this is the baby's name. Oh, there's no baby's name, it's just baby Ayeni. But our baby's name is Seven. I like that. I like Seven. Like that's my favorite name. I don't know our other names, but the baby name is Seven. Yeah, baby Seven. She's so beautiful. Like I think I'm going to give her to Jerick now. So we have another wife. Anyways, guys, I'm so tired. I have a lot to do today. I don't know, I'm always busy. I'm supposed to like do something today. Today is 1st of August and I had plans. Tanny, yeah. Things like 1st of August, I'll do some posting on my socials, guys. It's almost 8 now and I've not done anything. I like so I want to like, even though it's late already, I still want to like post. Babe, please. I still want to like post today, even though it is late, but irrespective of the time, I still want to do something. But yeah, I had a great day, and I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.